When we're talking about mental health, बहुत यंगस्टर्स देखने को मिल रहे हैं, गिव अप बहुत जल्दी कर रहे हैं, छोटी सी बात में वो एस वर्ड नहीं बोलना चाहती बट वो भी हो रहा है एंड इंडिया में हर दिन इंक्रीज हो रहा है. क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे?
Is the medical side to the whole thing. Your serotonin levels, your cortisol levels, your dopamine levels.
It was Michael Jackson and Janet Jackson, you know, that was the feeling, that is the memory I have. तो ये बहुत सोचने, आप जिस जनरेशन से थे, बॉलीवुड ज्यादा काइंडर था उस वक्त, कंपटीशन कम था, इतने हर 2 चैनल के बाद काउंटलेस सिंगिंग शोज. तो आप अपने सिंगर बेटे को क्या टिप्स देते हैं?
A lot of people want to experience the darker side. That is another thing.
God.
I have never been excited about this thing. लोग बोलते कि यार तू सिगरेट नहीं पीता, अरे यार ये वो है. When I know it's wrong, when I know it's bad, I will
Start for your health.
Agreed. I will not ever tell anyone to never try anything. My father had a violent side to him.
Yeah.
He got heavily into alcoholism.
Yeah.
All that while I was growing up, we were living in a tight little space where you couldn't escape it. We realized that my wife is dealing with clinical depression, medical depression.
Okay.
And she would be for hours on her own crying, going through these kind of, very, very, very low phase with no real trigger, so to say. चांद से फारिश जो करता हमारी, देता वो तुमको बता, शर्मो हया के पर्दे गिरा के, करनी है हमको खता, जिद है अब तो है खुद को मिटाना, होना है तुझ में फना.
आज क्या कमाल का दिन है, बॉम्बे में बैठे हैं और वो भी किसके घर. हम बड़े हुए हैं आपके गाने सुन के, चाहे वो तन्हा दिल हो, वो भूल जा हो, जब क्रशेस ने हमसे बात नहीं की, जब बहुत बहुत दिल टूटा, तो किसका गाना सुना, एक ल्यूमिनरी सिंगर का, a legend, a national icon. I'm talking about Mr. Shan Mukherjee.
Wow, that was a nice. Thank you, Monica. And of course, Sita Mindful is something that maybe not in the initial years of my life, but I think अभी ये पिछले 5-10 सालों से मेंटल हेल्थ पर मैं भी काफ़ी अवेयर होता आया हूँ और मुझे लगा है कि इस टॉपिक पर कुछ डिस्कशन करें, बातें करें. जितना भी करें इतना कम है, लेकिन चूँकि आपका इतना एक्सपीरियंस रहा है इस फील्ड में, तो आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड टू टॉक विथ यू. इससे मैं कुछ नया कुछ सीख पाऊँगा, अर्जन कर पाऊँगा कि मेंटल हेल्थ में किस तरह से खुद को एक बैलेंस लाइफ रखना है. और so I'm very excited to be talking
Thank
with you.
you. Okay, to begin with, sir, you started your journey very young, from pop to making jingles and reaching here to be one of the leading singers of Bollywood. How the journey has been?
शुरुआती दौर में मैं इतना ज़्यादा सीरियस नहीं था कि मुझे सिंगर बनना है या सिंगिंग करना है. मैं दूसरी और जॉब्स करता था, या कहीं ना कहीं यही था कि चूँकि I lost my father very early, I had to contribute to the family in terms of earning something. मम्मी कोरस में गा रही हैं, sister also at that time of course she used to sing, but also साथ साथ she was working for a production house. So मैं घर में बैठे रोटी तोड़ूँ, it's not right. So I started doing a lot of odd jobs and things like that. लेकिन उस बीच में jingles भी गाता था, जब कोई बुला ले तो मैं without giving it much of a thought ऐसे ही गा रहा था. लेकिन धीरे धीरे लगने लगा जैसे कि लोग पसंद कर रहे हैं, लोगों को मेरी आवाज़ सही लग रही है, और एक बार बुलाया तो फिर से बुला रहे हैं, तो फिर लगा कि नहीं, I should now get a little serious. Of course you start with jingles, that is something. Being in Mumbai, the whole advertising, Delhi is also of course a strong advertising hub, but Mumbai, most of the agencies are all here. So, and चूँकि एडवर्टाइजिंग में थोड़ा इंग्लिश ये सारी चीज़ें होती थी, तो आई वॉज वेरी कंफर्टेबल डूइंग दैट. 2-3 लाइन में ख़त्म, चेक लेके घर जाओ. तो वहाँ से शुरू हुआ. काफ़ी एडवर्टाइजिंग के जो कंपोजर्स थे वो फिर इंडी पॉप के म्यूज़िक प्रोड्यूसर्स कंपोजर्स बनने लगे, तो मुझे इंडी पॉप में सेशन सिंगर का भी काम मिलने लगा. दूसरे आर्टिस्ट हैं, चाहे श्वेता शेट्टी हो या स्टाइल भाई कोई और, तो उनके उसमें सागरिका में हम लोग कुछ लाइन हम गाने शुरू कर दिए. उसके बाद जो म्यूज़िक कंपनी थी, उन्हें लगा कि नाज़िया ज़ोब का एक ट्रेंड था, तो क्यों ना ब्रदर सिस्टर डुओ ऐसा करके हमें लॉन्च करे. तो ये एक आइडिया आया, तो फिर हम लोग बोले क्यों नहीं. बिड्डू के साथ हमने पहला अपना एल्बम किया. उस बीच में कुछ रीमिक्स गाने बनने लगे थे, एक ट्रेंड आया था. तो
बाली
रिमिक्स
संगू,
गाने,
yeah.
हाँ, तो ऐसे काफ़ी रिमिक्स गाने मैंने किया। तो एंड वन थिंग लेड टू अनदर एंड आई थिंक बाय 99 आई गॉट टू सिंग माय फर्स्ट फिल्म सॉन्ग। 2000 तना दिल हुआ, the songs that you mentioned, तना दिल
भूल
जा,
जा, yeah.
and by 2002-3 I was one of the, you know, go-to voices in Bollywood. So
Such
yeah,
comfortable voice. You bring comfort and peace. Yeah.
I
Ask
I'm
us.
glad.
Ask us. Okay, when we're talking about your sister,
जी,
you started together, and it has been very long that we haven't seen a beautiful song with her. Are we?
I
Are the
know,
fans
I
are
know,
going to be
you know,
blessed?
it's a question that I'm always asked, and I keep saying that yes, yes, अब
It
करना
was
है, अब करना
Michael
है।
Jackson and Janet Jackson. You know,
हाँ, हाँ,
that was the feeling. That is the memory I have. तो ये बहुत सोचने की
आई थिंक
बात है.
सबकी अपनी जर्नी होती है, अपनी एक यू नो, हम बहुत कुछ सोचते हैं, लेकिन जो होना है वही होता है। और सिस्टर ऑफ कोर्स वाज द नाइटिंगेल ऑफ आवर फैमिली।
Yeah.
बचपन से ही इतना मधुर उनकी आवाज़, और जिस तरह से वो गाती थी, मेरे पिताजी उनको टेप रिकॉर्डर बुलाते थे, क्योंकि पिताजी क्या करते थे, कुछ गाना अगर कुछ तर्ज बना रहे हैं, इज थिंकिंग ऑफ सम ट्यून, एंड शाम हो जाता था, यू नो, इज नॉट बीइंग एबल टू रिकलेक्ट, सो ही आस्क्ड माय सिस्टर क्या गा रहा था मैं दोपहर, सुबह याद आ रहा है? She'd sing it and give it back to him. So, you know, so I never thought I'm going to be a singer. Like I said, I was doing jobs. I was an athlete. वो भागम भाग उसमें लगा हुआ
With
था।
this voice, you never thought that you're going to be a singer, sir?
No, क्योंकि
क्या
it
वर्ल्ड को आप
wasn't,
डिप्राइव करने वाले थे?
नहीं, मैं तभी उतना तैयार भी नहीं था, आज भी उतना तैयार तो हूँ नहीं। बट मुझे पता नहीं, कभी ऐसा नहीं लगा था कि मैं प्रोफेशनली, मतलब यू नो, ऐसे ही गा रहा हूँ महफिल में दोस्तों के साथ, वो अलग बात है, सिंगर बन सकता हूँ। बट आई मीन, यू नो, सिस्टर स्टार्टेड सिंगिंग फॉर शोज, और फिर यू नो उन्हें लगा कि यार किसी और सिंगर को ना बुलाकर चलो भाई जॉइन मी। तो सिस्टर के साथ वो पुराने गाने और वो बैठक शोज करते थे हम। तो वो करते करते कॉन्फिडेंस आने लगा, और लोग सामने से कहने लगे कि यार इसकी आवाज़ अच्छी है, इसको कैन आई कॉल हिम फॉर अ रिकॉर्डिंग? तो सिस्टर वुड बी, या प्लीज, इट बी नाइस। तो उस तरह से बात शुरू हुई। बट सिस्टर इन द मीनवाइल एक तो बहुत अच्छा गाती थी, और साथ साथ बहुत खूबसूरत भी। तो वो एक टिपिकल एक फेज था जब यू नो यू कांट बी बोथ।
Okay.
The composers, most of them at that point would make
Yeah.
these very suggestive propositions, and she was a typical Bombay city girl. She couldn't handle all this.
Okay.
वो तो पर्स में चाकू वाकू रखती थी।
अरे वाह वाह.
And she was not very ambitious, so she said, "I'll do it at my terms, the way
Okay.
I want it."
Uh-huh.
So otherwise, it doesn't work like that. I don't care. She set up Olive, which turned out to be one of the most popular restaurant chains of
Oh.
India.
Okay.
That was her
That's
brainchild.
okay. That's
She's big into
phenomenal.
interiors, and she has
And
her
she
own
she doesn't like
Airbnb
to be in
space.
public eye. We hardly get to see. Ma'am.
Yeah, she wasn't enjoying the city, Mumbai. Imagine 20 साल पहले ही उसे मुंबई रास नहीं आ रहा था। अब तो
She's
मतलब
seen- oh.
एक आध खून हो जाता है उसके हाथ से। So you know, so
It started like
she
that.
moved to Italy, and
Oh,
now
beautiful.
she's got 2 beautiful kids, and very caring, doting husband, and you know, so she's happy in her life.
Wow.
Yeah.
So when we're talking about this legendary duo, आप और आपकी बहन, ये genetics का तो असर जरूर होगा, because both brothers and sisters are blessed, and we know that your father, he was a music composer. So do you think वो घर पे माहौल ऐसा था, इसीलिए inclined हुए, या फिर it was very natural to you?
नहीं, बिल्कुल गलत फहमी थी। Growing up, I assumed that you know किसान का बेटा किसान होगा, you know engineer या सैनिक है तो कहीं ना कहीं you know kids take to what their parents do, but singing is a different ballgame altogether. It's not necessarily generic, or else you know एक पारिवारिक चीज होती है,
Right.
बट ऐसा तो है नहीं। लेकिन यस, ऑफ कोर्स एक माहौल था, कंडीशनिंग हो जाती थी, और ये गलतफहमी थी कि हाँ, अरे मेरे पिताजी मेरे माताजी दोनों गाना गाते हैं, 100% मैं भी गा सकता हूँ। तो बिना मेहनत किए, बिना उतना यू नो म्यूजिक को बिना साधना सीखे ही मैं गाता था, और लगता था कि यही कमाल है। सो ऑफ कोर्स दैट बबल बर्स्ट व्हाइल लेटर,
Yeah.
and I realized that without doing your own riyaz, your own mehnat, your own practice, you know, you cannot achieve
Yeah.
you know good quality singing. So little late in life, but then I started. I got my when my Guruji age 32, I started actually doing riyaz and doing. दो
Okay.
घर में माहौल था,
Okay.
लेकिन पहले तो आई वॉजंट श्योर कि मुझे सिंगर बनना है. सिंगर बन गया तो इतना काम, शोज, रिकॉर्डिंग्स, कि ऐसा लगा यार वक्त ही नहीं मिल रहा है. तो बट देन आई रियलाइज इफ यू वांट समथिंग दैट विल लास्ट यू,
Yeah.
उसके लिए यू हैव टू गिव इट वैल्यू, गिव इट
Yeah.
रिस्पेक्ट.
Yeah.
इफ यू डोंट वैल्यू इट, इट्स नॉट गोना वैल्यू.
Absolutely. So when we are talking about that discipline in your life, so ये कब आपने सीखा कब कि लाइफ में इसकी बहुत अहमियत है, that you have to be organized, you have to be a disciplined singer to reach where you have reached.
Yeah, I think it happened gradually. There was not like दिन में उठ के लगा के
There
ऐसा
was no
कुछ करना है.
awakening. Yeah.
हाँ, लेकिन ये किस्सा मैंने कईयों को बताया कि अवेकनिंग अगर कहूँ तो क्लोजेस्ट टू इट वाज, यू नो, वी वर ऑलरेडी डूइंग शोज एंड
Yeah.
एल्बम्स आ रहे थे और खूब मस्तियाँ करते थे लोग. वो यू नो वन बिग
Yeah.
party gang, me and my band, and you know, used to have fun and a lot of concerts that she be with other artists also. Usha Uttup ji thi, and I used to always wonder, my God, she's always pitch perfect. She's so, you know,
Yeah.
amazing at, you know, she was already then in her
Yeah.
late 50s, I think. And then one day she met me backstage. She called me here, and I remember she told me that, you know, I think you have a future, but you have to get a little more disciplined. You can't be the way you
Wow.
are. This opportunity you have got that a lot of people haven't got. If you don't make the best of it, you're going to regret it. So you better start, you know, I mean, basically we drink up, we,
Yeah.
you know, do all,
Yeah.
you know, scream and shout, फिर जाके स्टेज पे भी वही कर रहे हैं. कभी आवाज बैठी हुई पड़ी नहीं है, चिल्ला चीख के गाना गा रहे हैं. So she said you have to, you know,
Have the discipline.
have the
and the-
discipline. I think you can go a long way if you can fix that. That was about 97, 98. So I think it was a very timely
Wow.
lesson I got from Usha ji. So yes,
Okay.
I'll take back my words. It was probably around then.
Yeah.
And I was also getting a little restless. Ke yaar, you know, kya tha, growing up in Bandra in the 80s, listening to rock music,
Yeah.
listening to all those rock legend stories, where, you know, they used to just do crazy things. उनको पड़ी नहीं होती थी. और they were marketed to us like that. कि, you know, अगर हम बहुत disciplined और वो सुबह उठ के सारे गा मा पा धा नी करेंगे तो कुछ नहीं होने वाला.
हमारे
We
दिमाग
have to
में
be
ये
crazy.
हमारे दिमाग में यही इमेज होती है that
हाँ.
all the singers first thing is that they're touching their harmonium and they're playing.
नहीं, लेकिन हम तो
ये नहीं, अब है.
सिंगर बनना था ना,
अब है.
उस चक्कर में
Is
फिर
this?
हाँ
Then it
देर आए
started.
दुरुस्त आए. But then that happened. Also, I think, you know, got married, responsibilities. My wife is from a very affluent, from a well-to-do
Yeah.
home. They lived in their own bungalow, और मैं यहाँ भाड़े के कमरे में रहता था. So I had to make sure that I give her at least, you know, some
Wow.
basic सुख सुविधाएं तो देने के काबिल मैं खुद को बनाऊं. तो
Absolutely.
और वो करने के लिए मेरे अपने ये जो थोड़े से, you know, indisciplined behavior को बदलना होगा. So since then I kind of got a little better. I started going to my Guruji, started learning music, got into workouts, which also helped my vocal strength also, and started working harder on whatever work I got. You know, I kind of got more.
So now we are talking about different generations.
जी.
आप जिस जनरेशन से थे, बॉलीवुड ज्यादा काइंडर था उस वक्त, कंपटीशन कम था. इतने हर 2 चैनल के बाद सिंगिंग शोज हैं, काउंटलेस सिंगिंग शोज. तो आप अपने सिंगर बेटे को क्या टिप्स देते हैं?
एक तो पहले यही टिप दिया था कि कुछ और सोचो, कुछ और करो. लेकिन दोनों ही बेटे मेरे जो हैं, एक पॉइंट के बाद आकर, ये नहीं कि जैसे कि बच्चा जिद करता है कि डैडी डैडी मुझे गाना, ऐसा नहीं. यू नो, वो जर्म्स जो कहते हैं ना, वो
इंक्लिनेशन
क्या
था
है.
उधर से.
मेरा जो बड़ा बेटा है फुल टाइम वो म्यूजिक सुन रहा है, वो कुछ कर रहा है. मैं देख रहा हेडफोन में क्या चल रहा है, वो अपने इस पे लैपटॉप पे कुछ बीट्स बना रहा है. तो ऐसे क्या करना है, तो इससे मुझको म्यूजिक प्रोड्यूस करना है. लेकिन साथ साथ मुझे पता है कि ये इट्स नॉट अ वेरी स्टेबल लाइन.
Yeah.
बहुत सारे लोग बहुत कुछ कर रहे हैं.
Yes.
तो मुझे म्यूजिक, बिजनेस ऑफ म्यूजिक भी कोर्स करके सीखना है,
Okay.
ताकि आगे, यू नो, व्हेन इट कम्स टू ऑल राउंड एजुकेशन
Yeah.
of music. So then, and he stuck to that game plan. He applied to all the colleges. I had no clue. He got himself admitted to one of the best, which is Thornton School of Music, USC, University of California,
Yeah.
South California, Southern California.
Yeah.
Anyway, USC,
Yeah,
LA.
yeah,
He
yeah.
was there 4 years. He thrived there. He was one of their top students. Came back, but what he realized is that more than the business, he enjoys making music. So now he's a music producer. So the name is Never Sober. But ऐसी बात नहीं, he's very sober.
Okay.
और आजकल ये नाम
Trend,
चलते हैं,
right,
he and
right.
he has a partner, Riz. So Soham
wow.
and Riz. They also have a band. Soham has his own band outfit called City Mall.
Okay.
They've put out at least 20-25 songs in that circuit.
Yeah, so our audience needs to be updated on that.
Yes, City
Yeah.
Mall, they do R&B.
Wow, we
rap,
all should be knowing about
stuff,
this. Yeah.
and it's just fun music.
So they are also, aren't they following the same footsteps?
But it's
they're
different.
taking it.
The
They're
genre
taking
is
it.
different.
Yeah. Okay. The genre is
yeah,
completely
I
different.
mean,
Okay.
The younger one is much closer to what I'm doing. He's already done his first playback
Hi,
at the tender
congratulations.
age of 19.
You're a congratulations. I'm a
Yes,
very proud
yes,
father
yes.
today.
And of course, he's already got his singles out. Sorry.
We have heard
And,
it.
The third one's about to be out. Meanwhile, he had two more, softer launch singles. He's got a song, Jaane Tu, know that song, na? Yeah, Jaane Tu. क्यों चलती है पवन ना तुम जानो ना हम. So he's covered that song in his own style. That's going to be out soon.
So how is
So
this?
that's
How is
Mahi.
this going? Wow, Mahi.
No, I figured very early that if I जैसे कहते हैं ना कि उनकी हाथ पकड़ कर अगर उनको हम रास्ता दिखाएंगे
जी.
तो वो हाथ छूटना मुश्किल होगा उनसे. हाथ छुड़ाना मुश्किल होगा उनसे.
Absolutely.
और क्या हो जाता है कि अब जब मैं परफॉर्म कर रहा हूँ तो बड़ी ऑडियंस, इतने हजारों लोग शो देख रहे हैं, वहाँ आसानी से मैं कह सकता हूँ कि आप मेरे बेटे आ रहे हैं और लोग अरे यार बच्चा इतना अच्छा गा रहा है, he'll get all the adulation and all the love. लेकिन उसके बाद जब वो खुद अपने बलबूते पे किसी स्टेज पे चढ़े, he'll miss that. He'll say कि यार
Of course.
I'm used to getting like
it's
thousands
what,
of people screaming my name.
Taking for granted.
और यहाँ मैं आ रहा हूँ यार, ये 40 बच्चे बैठे हैं, वो भी देख रहे हैं मेरे तरफ कि क्या गाएगा, देखते हैं. आजकल kids also read English.
Yeah.
So I said let him start his own journey. So he is doing his college shows. 40 तो नहीं, उसके भी अच्छे audiences आ रहे हैं.
Wow, of course.
4-5 हजार तो आ ही जाते हैं उसके भी shows में. And but he's learning it the hard way. But वो जो कुछ भी करे अपने बलबूते पे करे, अपनी आइडेंटिटी के साथ. तो लोग जब उससे पहले अरे ये माही है, ये फला फला का बेटा या फला फला का पोता नहीं है.
So he wants to be a self-made person.
Yes.
And his identity should not be, confused with yours.
Completely.
Yeah.
So and that's something.
And
that,
he also has a melodious voice.
Yes. He's got a beautiful voice.
Amazing. And the
Works very hard on
maturity.
it.
Yeah.
जो मैं नहीं किया मेहनत,
But-
वो कर रहा है. From started learning, I have my Guruji now. So अब दे रहा है दुरुस्त है, अब मैं बैठ के सारे गामा करता हूँ मेरे साथ, फिर मैं खत्म करता हूँ, फिर
Okay.
माही आके बैठता है उनके साथ.
Is it every day, sir, that you do your
No, I can't
rehearsals?
do it every day because there are shows and there are other commitments. But
Okay.
But I try. So at least in a week, I manage to pull off at least 3 or 4 days.
Wow, that's
Yeah.
enough.
That's the first thing in the morning.
Okay.
वरना तो दिन भर चलता ही रहता है.
Of course. अब वो उसका फायदा आज हम उठाएंगे थोड़ा सा. Okay. And when we're talking, yeah. Sorry.
बस इंटरव्यूज ही कर रहा हूँ. So
Okay. So,
Voices.
okay,
But of course-
we'll be little. Yeah. When we're talking about mental health, आजकल के बच्चे, when we're talking about the youngsters, बहुत लोग, unfortunately मेरे OPDs में, बहुत youngsters देखने को मिल रहे हैं, जिनके अंदर resilience की बहुत कमी है, give up बहुत जल्दी कर रहे हैं, छोटी सी बात पे self harm behavior हो रहा है. मैं वो S word, suicide word नहीं बोलना चाहती, but वो भी हो रहा है. And इंडिया में हर दिन increase हो रहा है youngsters का, that they're taking their lives like that.
True.
So, आप क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे यंगस्टर्स को
मैसेज तो मैं
जब
क्या
किसी की
दूँ,
लाइफ थोड़ी
आप
सही नहीं
तो
चल
कह
रही
रही हैं.
है.
I am
It's disheartening to see the
I am
reality.
witnessing this, and my sister-in-law runs two of the most prestigious schools in the city.
Yeah.
And this was unprecedented, but in the last 1 or 2 years, attempted
It has
suicides
grown
and
by
actual
leaps and bounds.
suicides are
Absolutely.
increasing, and they are 11, 13
Imagine.
from
The
privileged,
youngest one was 9.
yeah,
9 that
privileged
was reported in
homes.
India. Yeah.
So I'm sure you can put better light on this. आप कह सकती हैं, लेकिन मैं जितना समझता हूँ कि एक तो चीज़ होती है कि जहाँ आप एक अटेंशन सीकिंग वाली बात होती है, लेकिन व्हाट इज एक्चुअली the one thing that we probably don't realize is the medical side to the whole thing.
Yeah.
So I feel that your serotonin levels, your cortisol levels, your dopamine levels, all
Absolutely.
these things which we just take for granted.
Yeah.
We feel that these are just
The normal
trigger-
neurotransmitters
yeah.
and hormones. Yeah.
वो हो जाता है कि you're happy तो ये हार्मोन
Serotonin.
ये
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now they know it. Yeah, they're using cortisol at the drop of the hat. It's not stress anymore. The new terminology is I'm suffering from cortisol.
Cortisol levels.
Yeah, that's my cortisol face.
I think my litho levels are dropping.
Imagine.
But it's also, I mean, those who are saying it is one thing, but those who are actually having to deal with it is another thing. So I think while हम लोग अपना checkups ये सारी चीजें करते हैं, कहीं ना कहीं I think we if there is a way to, is there a way to, I'm asking, is there a way to understand everyone's these
there
आप
are,
देखिए ना एक ही सिचुएशन में एक बच्चा है इंडिया मैच जीत जाता है वो पागल हो जाता है, दूसरा इंडिया मैच जीत जाए हे मैन इट्स कूल, दूसरा बोलता है हाँ तो यार कल तो हारी थे ना आज जीत गए, तो अलग अलग रिएक्शंस. It is a hormonal thing, isn't it?
It is usually when we are talking about our basic instinct and personality, it is genetic in nature.
It's genetic.
It is genetic.
And
and when we talk about
if it's increasing in the next, especially among youngsters, is it that there is some deficiency in maybe the food and water? I'm just going into a very strange basic space. Is that possible?
It's such an intelligent question. And nobody has asked me that, Mr. Shan.
Yeah, I mean,
I'll be very honest. ये जो चीजें हैं, खास तौर से our diet, our lifestyle has changed. Our cultural values are changing.
Yeah.
We are getting into single homes, single parenting. So this all is amalgamating and creating this ruckus.
And that cell phone,
social media.
That's
I guess it's highly debatable. If you're using it in a responsible way, why not? But हर किसी के हाथ में exposure है.
This generation, you're 13 to 18.
Yes.
जब से होश संभाले हैं तब से उनके पास स्मार्टफोन है.
Yeah. And that is also unsupervised.
हाँ, मतलब वो पेरेंट्स अपनी पूरी कोशिश तो करेंगे, लेकिन अगर आपका नहीं है तो आपके दोस्त के पास है, कहीं ना कहीं कुछ ना कुछ तो है. और बचपन से देखते हैं कि पेरेंट्स भी तो फोन लेकर ही पढ़े, तो
you have to lead by example. You
can't tell them कि यार ये गलत है जब आप खुद फोन पर हो. और शॉर्ट फॉर्मेट एंटरटेनमेंट, जहाँ आपको एक 30 सेकंड में आप हंस रहे हैं, रो रहे हैं, तो क्या हो जाता है कि आपकी कंसंट्रेशन लेवल्स उस हिसाब से हो गई कि आप उतना लंबा आप
एंगेज नहीं
कर पा रहे हो खुद को.
Normally,
you need validation. आप अपनी कुछ आपने चीज डाली है, किसी ने कोई गलत कमेंट कर दिया, and it's affecting you. It is it affects me. I mean, let's be honest. And you have to tell yourself कि यार
it's so hard to believe. Do you have trollers?
I mean,
it's hard to believe with a personality like this and with a smile like this.
No. I mean, trollers are there, and I'm just using myself as an example.
Yeah, please.
But I can imagine that for kids who don't know better,
the core needs to be very strong. They're lacking the core belief. Parenting is another thing. Their exposure to trauma. Maybe they have witnessed the trauma. If they're seeing parents are fighting every day, if there is disrespect in the house, if there is any remorse of this.
वो भी नहीं है. Sometimes I see the perfect setting, and like you said, the first word, lack of resilience. उनमें वो सहन शक्ति जो है ना,
कई बार हम ही responsible तो नहीं है.
अब अगर आप
we are giving them everything on the platter.
उदाहरण दूँ तो my father had a violent side to him. He got heavily into alcoholism. All that while I was growing up, we were living in a tight little space where you couldn't escape it. So I learned what not to do, what not to be. But I see a lot of youngsters blaming that to what they are and why they are and who they are.
And then they
parents की वजह से upbringing मेरे time पे ये किया था, वो किया था. And even which parent wants to give a bad upbringing to their child? Circumstances, वो situation, वो जिस हालातों में उनको अपनी जिंदगी जी रहे हैं, अपनी frustrations हैं, अपना वो एंग्स्ट है, कहीं ना
Yeah.
कहीं वो निकल कर आ रहा है। और बच्चों को अगर वो बहाना मिल जाए कि अब इस वजह से अब मैं ऐसा ही हूँ,
Yeah.
मैं ऐसा करूंगा,
Yeah.
मैं
बहुत होता
खुद
है।
पर सेल्फ हार्म करूंगा।
Yeah.
और
That's how they get their things.
But
There was a
ये-
case, I want a car on my 18th birthday. नहीं दोगे? I'll jump off the building.
Yeah.
So we have handled that case. So this is again, where is it starting from? It is the core. अगर आप 3 साल के हैं, आपकी सारी बातें मानी जा रही हैं, and you are getting everything on the platter, you would not be able to understand the word no.
Exactly. So
No पता ही नहीं है. How can you say no to me? My parents have given me everything.
According to the
Wow.
parents,
बहुत ही अच्छा
is
question. Yeah.
actually doing more disservice to the child by showing no tough love, by being there for them,
Yeah.
being overbearingly protective and caring,
Yeah, and being a
making
helicopter
sure
parent,
that they're
yeah.
always
बिल्कुल.
getting what they need.
Yeah,
क्योंकि
yeah.
यार माँ का
I
दिल
can-
है,
मैं afford
अरे
कर
मेरा
सकता
dad,
हूँ.
हाँ,
मैं afford कर सकता
अरे
हूँ.
सब कुछ तो
बिल्कुल.
बच्चों के लिए ही कर रहा हूँ। और ये
They
जो
know
करते
it.
हैं
They know it.
वो प्रॉब्लम है।
हमारे पास हार्डनेस नहीं था सर.
हाँ,
हम लोग जब जंप ले रहे थे, either we are dead or
बस ऐसे ही होगा,
will be
ऐसे ही
successful. अब यहाँ पे हार्डनेस है. What if I fail? अरे मेरा पेरेंट्स के पास बहुत पैसा है, so I can lean back on that. So that is becoming the attitude of today's generation. So somewhere again, it would boil down to the very original thing. It is us.
और मुझे मेरी
It
बीवी
is
जिस
us.
बात से चिढ़ाती है वो काम आ गई, मेरी मध्यम वर्गीय माइंडसेट
I'm telling you.
कि
पुरानी
अभी भी वही
चीजें
चलता
छोड़िए
रहता
नहीं.
है
Yeah.
कि अगर बच्चे ने टॉय तोड़ा है तो वो टॉय नहीं मिलने वाला उसको,
Let
क्योंकि
him or her
तुम फिर
understand.
तोड़े हुए तो फिर क्यों, और बोलती है
सबको
अरे यार इतना सा तो उसको इतना डांटा उस पर,
It
तो ऐसे नहीं, हमें तो कुछ भी नहीं मिला था।
Absolutely.
तो एक बार ऐसी मेरी बीवी मेरे बेटे को समझाई कि देखो तुम्हारे लिए तुम्हारे डैड ने ये सब करवा दिया है, हम सब
Yeah.
ऐसे करते हैं, उनको तो कुछ नहीं मिला।
Gratitude होना
तो वो बोले
चाहिए.
ग्रैंडफादर शुड हैव वर्कड हार्डर।
Oh God.
But having said that, my kids have been,
No, I have
have to
met
give it
one. I've met one of them right now,
yeah,
and you really can see that they're well brought up kids.
They
And with this 15 years of experience in this, I can
Yeah, I can't
easily figure that
take
out.
credit for them, but they are very respectful
Yeah.
and natural.
Yeah.
Sometimes I
They
see
have a very
children
different
who
personality
are
than you.
different
Yeah.
from अपने सर्कल में अलग, बड़ों के साथ अलग, यहाँ अलग, वहाँ अलग, तो वो जैसे कि कोई रोल प्ले कर रहे हैं. So I always tell them, be natural. If you feel it, let it be.
It's coming, sir. That's
known.
the reason
Yeah.
it's resonating with so many
But
people.
when you do something which is natural but
Yeah.
wrong,
Yeah.
you will be corrected. You will be
So now,
told.
अभी आप अपना parenting देखो, sir. They know about it, that they can't take you for granted. There are certain rules of the house that needs to be followed, and those are non-negotiables, and they are for their own good.
True. That I'll give the mother the complete
Please.
this thing.
So,
I just try to
yeah.
be a role model in the sense that I believe that आप चाहे जितना भी बच्चों को मतलब
Pamper.
नहीं पैम्पर करो या सीख दो, सबक दो, बड़ी बड़ी बातें समझाओ.
Right.
If you don't follow it yourself, you don't practice.
You
what
have to
preach,
lead by example.
then your child is never going to care about
So
that.
there was this case.
वो आ गया
Yeah.
फिर से बड़ी बड़ी बातें करने के लिए.
Yeah.
खुद तो देखो.
So there was
ये
this
कर रहा है.
case. The woman was very thin, very. So I could figure that out, that she's suffering from eating disorder, and she got a 10-year-old child. She said she has stopped eating. She's now very conscious about this. I said, what about you? Yeah, I do that, but I'm an adult. I said, do you think the child would understand that? So they are observing, और वो वही
You are
सीख
their
रहे
role
हैं.
models.
So
बिल्कुल.
that's what I'm saying. There has to be a change in the house, whether it's single parenting or parenting together. It has to be a right parenting. ये चीज जानना बहुत जरूरी है. Okay, so heavy बात हो गई. Let's
जी,
slip into
जी.
rapid fire round with some. Okay, so that a song that instantly lifts your mood.
एक गाना कैसे होगा? So many songs.
But
Any song. Any
it's like
song
that really, like it's there and you're angry. Whatever. Okay, that song is played. अरे अब तो मतलब I'm again back.
किशोर दा का कोई मस्ती भरा गाना हो.
Fan of Kishore Kumar sir. Okay.
And voice itself just sets me up. उनका एक sonic जो एक resonance है ना. तो
What's that? It's.
बस हो जाए.
I believe if God ever walks on earth, वो जब बोलेंगे तो आवाज किशोर कुमार की होगी. This is what
अरे बांगड़ू.
huge fan,
पता
sir.
नहीं कैसे
Yeah.
लेकिन है किशोर.
Okay, and now another question that is going to be a difficult question for you to answer. सोनू निगम और अरिजीत
अरे यार
सिंह.
ये सवाल बहुत अजीब अजीब होते हैं. it's such a subjective thing, and for
I know.
someone who's in the
Yeah.
field, for me to answer, if you tell me
No,
red
the most
or yellow,
versatile.
I can tell you.
More versatile
But Sonu
singer.
Nigam or Arjit Singh, they're both very different.
Versatile singer.
Different.
This
Both are
it's-
very versatile.
Okay.
Extremely versatile singers, and both are, in a way, my role models in that sense. Arijit is much younger than me,
Yeah.
but even so, certain things, the way he approaches is very interesting.
So
How do I
yeah.
break this down? एक थर्ड नाम डाल देता हूँ. No, I'm kidding.
आप डालिए. That's what I'm saying. You.
I think these kind of questions I won't be able to answer because I mean I have to be honest.
Okay. Then
If
we
I
are
can't be
moving.
honest with an answer, then
Yeah.
it doesn't make any sense. So what Arijit brought to the table was a certain natural, raw approach to a song, which until then, because we used to generally record with old school composers, उनके एक फिक्स्ड आइडिया था कि मेरा गाना ऐसा होना चाहिए. हमें उतना लीवे, उतनी छूट नहीं मिलती थी. और साथ साथ क्योंकि रिकॉर्डिंग स्टूडियोज तभी वो घंटे का भाड़ा एक सिस्टम होता था, तो जो सिंगर आके फटाफट गाना सीखा, सुर में गा के निकल गया ना, उसको काम मिले. जो ज्यादा वक्त लिया, तो हमें उतना इंटरनलाइज करने का वक्त नहीं मिलता था एक गाने को, विच आई रिग्रेट नाउ. बट द वे ही कैन इंटरनलाइज अ सॉन्ग एंड नॉट बी वरिड कि मेरी आवाज कहीं फटी होगी या कहीं कोई नोट जिस तरह से होना चाहिए नहीं हुआ, कहीं कोई उच्चारण उतना. फोकस इज ऑन मेकिंग इट साउंड वेरी नेचुरल एंड रियल. सो एंड ही इज अ क्लासिकली ट्रेन्ड सिंगर, तो वो जो कुछ भी कर रहे हैं वो कॉन्शियसली कर रहा है. वो इसलिए नहीं कर रहा है कि उससे नहीं हो पा रहा है. वो बहुत कुछ कर सकता है. He knows his sargams, he knows the basics of singing is strong, and yet he chooses this certain style of singing, which probably before that the ones who were singing it that way didn't know better. So he took their style and added his skill to it.
Wow.
And of course, Sonu Nigam is senior to me when he came into films. I was that time. I started off from pop music,
Yeah.
but we came from that same
Yeah.
that same
Same
that
time, yeah,
era.
same entry
जहाँ
हुई
वो
आपकी,
डिसिप्लिन और वो सारी चीजें बहुत ज्यादा मायने रखती थी कि कंपोजर जैसा बोलता है वैसे ही गाओ, वरना गाना आपका पास नहीं होने वाला है.
Okay.
तो उसमें क्या था? क्लैरिटी,
Yeah.
not just of the notes, also उच्चारण, एक्सप्रेशन,
Yeah.
एनर्जी. गाने की एक्टर के हिसाब से क्या एनर्जी होनी चाहिए, कीपिंग दैट इन माइंड. गाना किस जॉनर का है उस हिसाब से उसको गाओ.
Okay.
उन सारी चीजों में सोनू निगम वुड बी an encyclopedia, like a
Master
learning,
that, yeah.
a go to,
Yeah.
और क्लिनिकल सिंगिंग. साफ का कि अगर वो नोट है तो वही नोट है. तो अगर आप उनसे सुनकर आप कोई गाना सीख रहे हो ना, तो उसमें कोई कंफ्यूजन नहीं होगी. इट्स वेरी क्लियर, एवरीथिंग इज वेरी क्लियर, वेरी
Precise.
clinical,
and
it's very
just to this.
precise.
Wow.
So that is the one thing. And I would think I fit in somewhere in between. In the sense that I
Yeah.
never thought, for me, the only point of singing a song is to send out happy energy, a positive energy. Somehow I always felt that if the effort shows in your singing,
Yeah.
then the effort will show in the listener also.
Yeah.
उनको भी वो एफर्ट सुनाई देगा. तो 50 चीजें कर सकता हूँ लेकिन मैं करूँगा सिर्फ 5, ताकि उसकी जरूरत होगी, ताकि गाना जो है ना वो गाना पहुंच जाए.
Yeah.
तो उसमें अगर मैं गाने को उतना रॉ या उतना नेचुरल या उतना एक होती ना एक एक बेफिक्री से गाऊं, तो शायद वो गाना जो कहना चाह रहा है वो चीज रह जाएगी. लेकिन उस गाने को अगर मैं उतनी डिसिप्लिन और उतनी क्लिनिकल परफेक्शन के साथ गाऊं, तो गाने की रूह जो है वो कहीं शायद कम ना हो जाए. तो यू हैव टू फाइंड दैट मिडिल ग्राउंड वेयर द सॉन्ग हैज अ सर्टेन टाइमलेसनेस टू इट, बिकॉज इट हैज दैट slightly a cleanliness to it, hygiene to it,
Right.
but at the same time it should not be so technical that it does not
Resonate with the
resonate.
audience.
It doesn't cut through the medium.
Yeah.
It should cut through the medium and just become an expression.
Absolutely.
So
And you
that is the
certainly-
effort.
you certainly
Sometimes
nailed
it
that,
works,
sir.
sometimes it doesn't, but you have to.
There are no songs if you said that Kishore Da is that person. Any
I
song
learned
of
it
his.
from the greatest. I learned it from.
So for
from-
us,
from Mohammad Rafi Sahab, from
it's
Kishore Da,
Shan sir.
from
music
Mukesh
and we
Ji,
did.
and
Yeah.
they are the they,
ultimately,
I don't think anyone betters
Yeah.
expressing a song than these voices.
Yeah.
So amazing.
Yeah. So another difficult question coming your way: Shan as a father or Shan as a husband? That's slightly personal, but I guess your audience would love to know.
I would like to think Shan as a husband because my fatherly duties were duty is a horrible word, but my as a father, uh, my wife has helped me be a good father in a big way.
Wow.
But as a husband, I only have to help myself.
All the husbands should be listening to this.
So being a good husband has had a very good effect on my children.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, who's love of your life? Do you like to hear ma'am's name?
हाँ, prompt करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है.
It should be, I know, but it
Yes,
should
yes.
be that.
Actually, when we became parents, I remember मैं एक दिन बैठ के बहुत एक्साइटेड हो जाते ना, तो बच्चा है. फिर एक दिन रुक के मैंने कहा कि देखो कुछ भी हो जाए, वी शुड स्टे वही गर्लफ्रेंड बॉयफ्रेंड जो हम थे वो नहीं बदलना चाहिए. फ्रॉम टाइम टू टाइम वी शुड गो आउट फॉर आवर डेट्स, वी शुड डू आवर थिंग. और ऑफ कोर्स बच्चों की तरफ हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, लेकिन उस रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी इतना ज़्यादा इन्वॉल्व ना हो जाए कि हम भूल ही जाए कि हमारे बीच भी कुछ है. सो दैट इज समथिंग दैट वी ऑलवेज मेंटेन.
So it's a beautiful balance that you've been able to maintain for so long.
एक और आप कह रहे हो ना, how do I still look relatively young is because my wife is so much younger than me and she's also
So that's a pressure.
हाँ, वो भी वही उम्र आई नहीं रही उन पर. So मेरे ऊपर भी pressure है. I also have to stay young with her.
Okay, it's a touch wood. It's a beautiful journey.
So we're
maybe
working for
next time we'll get to meet ma'am as well.
And I have to say this, that there was while I thought I was a good husband, I mean everything is relative. I mean, you can always be always room for
we'll get to know more about
but
it.
I thought life was great and everything was fantastic until in 2018 or so. We realized that my wife is dealing with clinical depression, medical depression.
Okay.
And she would be for hours on her own crying, going through these kind of very 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 low phase with no real trigger, so to say. I mean, she did start her own business. It was doing very well, her own company called Happydemic, and then at some point it had a little low phase, but that happens, and it was not like low as in कोई some burden of low
debt or something.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. जो सोची थी उस तरह से नहीं हुआ. Is that reason enough? I don't know, but
it could be one of the reason. It could be the trigger.
Yeah,
but the main thing was already set.
Was already
there.
And then
it manifests when it is triggered.
I then of course the good patient husband was tested, which I failed at miserably. Initially I took it very personally, thinking that did I do something wrong? Like I've been this pretty decent as a husband. Why would she be depressed? And then I started learning more about it, or rather she educated me about it. तब मुझे पता चला कि ये एक लोगों को हमेशा लगता है कि यार इसके पास तो सारा सब कुछ है, ये क्यों डिप्रेशन है, इसका क्या प्रॉब्लम है.
I can't take name, but इतने बड़े-बड़े केसेस
of course बड़े-बड़े लोग बाद में पता चलता है कि
absolutely it has nothing to do with it. We are humans at the end of the day. We are all similar.
She got into medication, she got into meditation, she did a lot of counseling, and she fought really hard. And at one point it felt as if once you are under medication for mental health, it's a lifelong situation.
Okay.
One day she prepared, I mean of course it must have been months of preparation. We're almost celebrating a year now. She is medicine free.
Touch wood.
She does not take anything for
how beautifully you have spoken about it. This is, I guess, all our audience should be listening to this. आज भी mental health एक stigma है. We are so like if you are having a headache, we go to a neurologist. अगर दिमाग में thoughts अच्छे नहीं हैं, तो हम psychologist के पास आज भी क्यों नहीं आते? Why this is still the stigma persists in our country?
Friends that I can see it because now I'm aware of what it is.
Absolutely.
And अरे नहीं पागल है क्या तू? It's not about.
So we are called पागलों का doctor. We are called पागलों अभी भी.
ना वो बीमारी है ना. It is a deficiency which can create this. So just look at
Yeah.
it that way, na.
Yeah. It
Sometimes
could be,
we have
it could be
red
repressed.
bloods. Yeah,
It could be some repressed traumas, repressed anger.
Yeah,
It could have lot many
You
reasons.
need to address it,
Absolutely.
and sometimes just through counseling you can get through it.
Usually
Yeah.
it is via counseling
And,
you can get, but अगर moderate से ऊपर है, then we need medication.
Yeah.
Then the psychiatrist needs to step in.
Step in and
Yeah.
figure out. Anyway,
Wow.
so
this
yeah,
is
which
this
is
is
why
what
मैंने
we're
वो जो
saying.
तन्हा दिल का जो गाना बनाया,
Very-
it was something that I've lived through. I mean,
That was,
because
yeah,
through
we
Radhika,
lived.
but I've lived through it myself, so I know what exactly is it, that cloud in your head, that you know, it's
feeling
not that you're
of
sad.
worthlessness. It's
You're just,
feeling of
you're just numb. तो ना खुशी है ना गम है.
So,
एक
yeah,
numb है बस.
numbness. Yeah, it's very dark. I hope nobody gets through that.
Yeah, but
कोई भी family सफर ना करे, अगर करे तो बात करे.
हाँ,
It's so important. Express
and
yourself.
It is. You can get over it.
Yes.
It's not the end
It's
of
a
the world.
curable disease.
Yes, you have to just believe in that. You have to believe that this is my monkey brain. This is.
Yeah.
You should know कि इसकी जो anvil जब entry हो रही है ना उस खतरनाक चीज की जो तुम्हें अभी बता रही है कि नहीं.
I call
ये
them
होगा.
demons. They
Demons
are
को,
the
हाँ,
real demons.
वो demon को तुम्हें identify वहाँ करके रोकना है. And figure a way out. And she's managed to do it. Today she's counseling
Kudos.
others. She's
Wow.
doing well. I'm happy for that.
Wow.
Yeah.
How did you manage
And
your
she's come
kids?
out much stronger now.
You
know,
would
she's been able to understand.
She would be
human-
rediscovering herself, and you would see a very different side.
Very
of her.
different side of us. Yeah, yeah.
Wow, that's lovely.
And I'm
But
just enjoying the fringe benefits.
no, yeah, wow. But again, ये possible नहीं होता अगर आप support नहीं करते.
नहीं, I
You
mean,
were a supportive husband. You were taking care of the kids when mom couldn't. So that really that you have to step in.
I
यही तो
won't say that.
parenting.
No. She never let her personal situation ever come in the way of her being a mother. Or, you know,
So
हाँ,
good and
being a wife,
this is,
you know,
Yeah,
she
yeah.
could take me for granted. That's
Yeah,
all right because you know,
Yeah,
but
of
children,
course.
she never let that
Wow.
ever affect her being a mother that she was.
Wow.
She'd do what she has to do, but she would be there for them.
Okay.
And I don't know, she's a very so that's what I'm saying. Someone like that can also have medical depression.
Yeah.
Then it is true. It is a real
Yeah.
thing.
You can't
And when
predict.
people
You
make
can't
it light,
predict
when
it, yeah.
people you know
Yeah.
just say I'm
Joke
feeling
around.
down today, instead of saying that, they say, you know what,
I'm depressed. Yeah.
Don't use these words. You know, because they'll come and they'll bite
we
you
are,
back.
We are very
you know?
sad that
Yeah.
it's been overused even by more civil
Your
people. and
subconscious is
educated.
taking it.
You're
When you say
manifesting
this,
it,
you're manifesting
unfortunately.
it. You
Yes.
don't do that. You
And
say,
not this.
you say,
Because
I'm-
once it
yeah.
enters, it takes a village to get it out. And it's
नहीं,
not
बिल्कुल,
easy. It's not easy. It's a very long procedure.
और
yeah.
इस पर मैंने भी मतलब मैंने भी क्या बोलते हैं टिप्पणियां या जो भी मतलब
और आपका
there have been
insights, yeah.
you know big celebrities जब वो इस बारे में बात कर रहे थे और I was like those typical people saying कि यार
हाँ,
इतनी बड़ी स्टार है और ये सब ये बोल रही है ऐसा थोड़ी हो सकता है then I had to learn it the hard way कि ऐसा हो सकता है और ऐसा हुआ.
No, we are seeing Karan Johar, Miss Deepika Padukone. She has openly spoken about this.
Yeah,
that yes, this is what I
when,
felt.
When जब Deepika Padukone spoke about it,
Yeah.
and I mean, I didn't buy it.
Yeah, that
मुझे लगा कि
she was
क्या
at the
है?
top of her game.
हाँ
सबसे
यार.
famous actress and
मतलब
such
इतना ये तो एक
gorgeous
tantrum वाली
looking.
बात हो गई यार. मेरा दिल टूट गया मैं रोने वाली हूँ.
No.
So I really I mean horrible. I realized that I was so wrong. I was so wrong.
And
I
this
regret
is the
thinking like
beauty.
that. And I would like to
Yeah.
tell people that do not judge people
Yeah.
when they say you know they are going through something because it's true. It happens.
And don't dismiss their emotions. बस
Yeah,
इतनी सी
yeah,
बात
yeah,
पे
yeah.
you don't
हाँ
know.
हाँ हाँ.
Don't dismiss their emotions.
नहीं वो
Address them.
नहीं but Anika, you have to understand वो इतनी सी बात ही है.
उनके लिए नहीं.
It's no.
Yeah.
When you talk about clinical,
depression.
It can be hereditary. It
Yeah,
can
it
be
is.
genetic.
Yeah.
It can come from a very different angle.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
don't say that they didn't have the resilience to deal with that.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, it's
बात
not
तो इतनी सी थी लेकिन their
outlook.
the chemicals,
Yeah.
the balances
Yeah.
were not
Yeah.
in its place.
Yeah, it is. It has a
That is the
biological
problem,
base.
It's a biological thing that
Yeah.
happens. Yeah.
Yeah.
नहीं तो हाँ लोग तो और क्या कुछ झेल के हंस हंस के निकाल देते हैं जिंदगी because
Yeah.
their
Their biology is balanced.
Yeah. They are not having anxiety, hormonal anxiety. They don't have
Yeah.
their enzymes are sorted. तो ठीक है.
That's fine. बट ये जानना बहुत जरूरी है और
हाँ,
ये मानना बहुत
हाँ,
जरूरी
हाँ,
है. So one message before we ask you to sing for us.
हाँ.
One message for the youth
और एक
and for
अच्छा
the
हुआ कि
family.
आप वो फन क्वेश्चंस नहीं किए.
मैं अब मैंने
this or that or this,
नहीं
मैं
नहीं
नहीं
आप
कर पाऊंगा
नहीं
ये
नहीं
सब.
मैंने नहीं किया.
I would
I
rather
stopped.
have a good
No, this is a
heart-to-heart
conversation
discussion
and
something of
I
more,
got to know so much
something
about
of
this
more
side.
solidity than, you know.
Yeah, than doing
do you
this.
like red or green? Do you like beaches or mountains?
Unfortunately, it is for the social media. We are trying to keep up with the trend. It's so
No,
difficult for mental health therapists to act like influencers, but my team has forced me to do one.
Okay, okay. No, but
No,
I'm
this is-
terrible with this. I mean,
Oh, I guess we are
won't
done
stop
with.
you
Okay,
from that.
this is good. Your
Acha.
mantra of life that keeps you sane and happy. So that's very much connected with
Something
our
very
theme.
early, I figured too much of anything is not good. And
So when you were like you are successful, but when your every song was a back-to-back hit, you were playback
Oh, I
for
think- I
Saif
don't-
Ali
when I say
Khan,
that,
Shah
I
Rukh
don't,
sir. It was back-to-back hit. How did you manage to be happy and humble the way you
no,
are?
having hits or failures or the mantra that I'm saying, too much of anything
Yeah,
is not good. Is not something that I figured later in life. Shuru se, I always felt that anything can't become addictive.
okay.
So too much of anything is when you can't do without that. So a certain sense of detachment to every emotion,
Yeah,
relationship, habit should be there.
absolutely.
So when you get too obsessed with anything, it is not good for you.
Yeah.
So even success, not good for you. Uh, uh, mental health,
Yeah.
no.
No.
You know, wanting to be righteous and correct.
Yeah.
There's a limit to everything, and keep it within that.
Wow.
And bus enjoy the moment.
So the kids are so lucky to have a father like Shan, who's teaching them this very basic core values, which unfortunately is missing in our society these days. And our heart bleeds when we see this. So,
I would
Yeah.
like to believe that.
yeah. So it's coming from a certified
they're gonna get
psychologist.
better,
Please
they're gonna
tell
get
your
good.
kids how
Oh my
lucky they
God,
are.
you're scaring
Touch
me.
wood.
Yeah, it is a lot.
It's
Very
beautiful.
rampant.
It is. It's terrible out there. Such a dark world. One should never experience it ever.
Are people doing it so that they can? A lot of people want to experience the darker side. That is another
Oh,
thing.
God.
I have never been excited about this thing. लोग बोलते कि यार तू सिगरेट नहीं पीता, अरे यार ये वो है ऐसा. But when I know it's wrong, when I know it's bad, why
It's
will I
bad
do
for
it?
your health.
Why will I
Yes.
do things that I know are not gonna work for me? Agreed. I will not ever tell anyone can never try anything. There is nothing that I have not tried.
Yeah.
There's nothing that I've not made my own conclusions towards.
Yeah.
I think I'm strong enough to handle that.
There is no
I am not.
dependency.
Yeah, I am not that worried कि मैं एक बार ये करूँ तो फिर इधर बार.
Yeah.
Because हमेशा मैंने कहा है, too much of anything is not good.
Wow.
So you
so
do
that,
it, you
so
try.
that's your mantra.
You know this.
Okay.
This works, but इसके downsides are more than the upsides.
Yeah.
Today I know a lot of singers are actually smoking up before they sing because it gives a certain sound, a certain zone. You know.
Doesn't it
they
affect
can-
your throat?
No, as in depending on how
Okay.
you
Okay.
put it in, but it's
Okay.
basically something that comes into your bloodstream and gives you that
Little high.
zone.
Yeah. Oh
और
God.
उसमें जब आप गाते हो तो एक अलग फील आती है. But imagine I did it and I sounded better.
Okay.
What will happen then? I'll want to do it again.
Yeah. There's going to be
Then I'll
dependency.
keep
It's going to
doing
be a
that.
loop.
Have I only come into this world to just sing songs? I have another higher purpose now.
That's just one of.
I don't
your-
want to become a monkey brain after 10 or 12 years because that's what it does to you. It starts killing your
It's
grace
slowly
cells.
killing you.
It's slowly making you, duncing you. I don't want to lose my whatever sanity, or I want to stay stimulated. I want to stay my mind, and I can think. I want my gray cells alive. I want to be able to analyze, intellectualize things. I love that about me. So I don't want to lose that part of me just so I'll get more nasha in my voice. So
we would never
that
wish
kind of
that.
a sacrifice.
Yeah.
I won't do.
Yeah.
I can. अगर रिक्वायरमेंट है तो मैं वो कर. अभी रफी साहब कितने गाने गाते थे विच वाज अबाउट कि ये जो चिलमन है या मतलब सो मेनी जहाँ हीरो इज ड्रंक ये प्यार का नशा है अरे रे रे संभालो मुझे यारो. लग रहा है कि यार पी के गा रहे हैं
Right.
बट ही Besides
of course, yeah.
lassi, there was no other, I mean,
Yeah.
no liquid form of indulgence. But so you can
Yeah.
get that zone.
Okay.
I'm not saying it sounds intoxicating. ये गलत.
Yeah.
I think you can bring any kind of expression, emotion,
Yeah.
without having to use any
yeah.
external
Yeah.
stimulation.
Yeah,
for it.
stimulation from. Yeah, okay. That's done.
So the youngsters today
yeah.
who like to smoke up and sing,
Yeah.
just don't do it.
Yeah. Because
Don't do it. You're
it has
causing more
after
harm.
effects.
Yeah.
There's going to be aftermath after that.
Yeah.
Okay. So when you're talking about this and we heard this melodious voice, so can we have one fun, can't say one song, but few lines of your favorite song, of anything that comes to your mind for our listeners and who
Yeah,
really
first I'm
loves you,
trying to
adores
recollect
you
my
dearly.
lyrics from the one that I actually wrote and composed about mental health. But I think I've
You
I've
have
shared that with you
yeah,
before.
that's there.
So you can
That's
always
what's
play
been-
that.
Yeah.
And you know the video is you don't need rights for it. You can play it.
Okay.
So you can
Thank
play that
you.
at the end of our
Okay.
conversation.
Okay, we'll do
Yeah, I'll
that.
send you the link over.
Sure,
if you need it.
sure, sir.
But yeah, I love to hear songs. I also feel that every sonic, like every vocal, has उसमें एक कुछ voices हैं जो जैसे कई लोग मुझे कहते हैं कि मैं तुम गाते हो तो मेरे चेहरे पे स्माइल आती है. So I think I couldn't have asked for a greater compliment than that. कि मैं नहीं चाहता कि मैं गाऊं और लोगों का दिल भर जाए, दर्द महसूस हो, दुखी लगे, क्योंकि दुख एक ऐसी चीज है जो अमूमन हमारे जिंदगी में है, लेकिन हम खुश रहना चाहते हैं
बिल्कुल
ना.
तो नेगेटिव इमोशंस मुश्किल हैं जाने.
जिंदगी में दुख और दर्द का कोई सिचुएशन ही नहीं है. किसी को सुनकर हम रो रहे हैं, हमें दर्द मिल रहा है. In itself is a very negative and a very strange sadistic pleasure, इसे कह सकते हैं, masochistic pleasure.
Yeah, it is.
कि मैं रोना चाहता हूँ, आज मैं जी भर के रोऊंगा, चलाओ कुछ दुखी गाने. तो शायद क्योंकि मेरी जिंदगी में शुरुआती दौर में दुख दर्द रोने के बहुत सारे बहाने थे. So I was always fighting that emotion. I was always fighting and I wanted to be
Again,
happy
we are
all the
boiling
time.
down. It's resilience.
So I realized
It's-
that
yeah,
I want to make
perseverance.
people happy.
Yes.
And any song I sing or I hear,
Yeah.
if I can feel that happiness, which I used to get in these
Peppy. It
voices,
was
yeah.
so beautiful,
Peppy,
peppy.
yeah.
And when it's party time, we have to have your song in it.
Yeah. So
It's incomplete
always,
without that.
I mean, even now, but in the last
Yeah.
10 or
There-
12
there has-
years,
there has
I've seen
been a
even if the
shift.
song is a peppy song,
Yeah.
it's not being rendered in a
Yeah.
happy way. There is some kind of
There
heaviness.
is this air and
Yeah.
that there is this air right now that's circulating.
So people are enjoying
they're enjoying the pain.
low.
Imagine. That's what I'm
So-
saying.
so
How
it's
many
very-
patients we are getting at our
Yeah,
OPD? We
it's-
want that to be reduced.
It's
So our parting ways are.
I don't know whether it's the cause or the
Yeah.
consequence, but it's definitely a catch-22. ये चल रहा है.
and it's a vicious cycle. It's not
चल ही रहा है.
it's not easy to come out of that. So
अब गाना क्या गाया इसमें?
तो कोई सा
भारी बातें हो रही हैं.
कोई भी अच्छा गाना, कोई भी गाना
आप कोई रिक्वेस्ट करो गाना, मैं आपके लिए गाऊंगा.
टू कर सकते
मनिका
हैं.
के लिए क्या?
टू
हाँ 3 चलो.
No. भूल जा,
Okay.
where we had terrible breakup during that time.
I think it's a personal song
It's
for
a
you. You
personal
mentioned it earlier
song.
also.
Yeah,
हो
yeah.
जाए.
So I said, oh, like वो तो नहीं है किसी
हाँ ये भी
प्यार. Oh
सोचिए,
God.
उससे पहले कोई
Like oh God.
हार्ट ब्रेक पर हैप्पी गाना नहीं बना था. क्लबी सॉन्ग.
You are a magician.
Ram
You
Sampath a
can.
lot of credit for this.
Yeah.
क्योंकि even the music company was not thrilled about this idea.
Oh,
कि ये बीट के साथ तुम ये किसी को मना रहे हो या anyway. but I'll
It's
sing
a,
the song
it's a,
हाँ,
it's an
गाते
anthem
बहुत
for
गाते
us.
करते हो.
Yeah, it's an anthem.
भूल जा जो हुआ उसे भूल जा
इन आंसुओं से किसको क्या हुआ हासिल, माना कहना है आसान, निभाना है मुश्किल, फिर भी ऐ यार मेरे सुन लो मेरी इल्तिजा, भूल जा जो हुआ उसे भूल जा, है कसम तुझे मुस्कुरा, खुद को यूं न दे तू सजा, उन यादों को तू भूल जा, सॉरी मैं जरा फास्ट फॉरवर्ड में गा रहा हूँ क्योंकि
Oh
Once at a
God.
time. हाँ.
Imagine in Mumbai at Shan's house and we have made him sing this beautiful song. So, oh God.
Thank you.
So lovely. Okay, another please. Another song. Oh God. इतने सारे so then Chand Sifarish. That's-
चांद सिफारिश जो करता हमारी देता वो तुमको बता
चांद सिफारिश जो करता हमारी देता वो तुमको बता शर्मो हया के पर्दे गिरा के करनी है हमको खता जिद है अब तो है खुद को मिटाना होना है तुझ में फना
Oh God.
सुभान अल्लाह
Oh my. We are keeping this forever. Yeah. Oh God, sir. So
Thank you so much.
it was so lovely meeting you in person. We have collaborated earlier. You probably don't remember. You have sent us one. That was our first.
I do.
We
And,
Are One, and that was the song composed and written by the sufferers of racism and discrimination.
No. And also, I know that you've been doing this,
Yeah, for years.
work for so long. You're
Yeah.
a professional, and along with that, you're so passionate about it
Yes, sir.
that
That's
I
what
meet
the
a lot
aim
of counselors, a lot
Yeah.
of psychiatrists, and but they come across more about professional sense, so they're doing their thing.
Yeah.
But you're also trying to spread the word,
Yeah.
getting more people, creating awareness. So
Absolutely.
it's something that
And saving lives and
Yes,
cultivate
yes,
conscious
yes.
living.
True.
It's not just living, it's conscious living.
Yes.
Make
yes,
the
yes.
conscious choice. That's Sita mindful. Be mindful of your actions.
And Sita.
Mindful. Be
In
mindful
Sanskrit.
of that. Sita is your mind.
Okay.
Yeah.
okay,
So be
okay.
mindful of your mind.
See, wonderful.
So that's how it came out together.
True,
Okay.
true, true.
So
Wonderful.
आज ऑडियंस के लिए सर
हाँ जी.
आज हमने शान सर को सुना लाइफ की बैटल्स इतने पर्सनल एनेक्डोट्स जो सर ने इतनी ब्यूटीफुली मैनेज किया हमारे सामने एक्सप्रेस किया अगर सर कर सकते हैं अपनी लाइफ के बारे में ओपनली कैंडिड डिस्कशन तो हम क्यों नहीं आई गेस वो टाइम आ चुका है कि मेंटल हेल्थ को नॉर्मलाइज किया जाए और स्टिग्मा को बिल्कुल हटा दिया जाए
बिल्कुल आपने जो कहा सुलह ने सच और ऐसा ही होना चाहिए और देखिए एक ज़िंदगी है उसे हमें पूरी तरह से जीना है और अगर एक पल को भी ये समझ में आ जाता है कि आई कैन लिव माई लाइफ बेटर आई कैन डू बेटर आई कैन बी मोर कंस्ट्रक्टिव टुवर्ड्स दुनिया में मेरी भी कुछ कंट्रीब्यूशन हो सकती है और क्योंकि कुछ खल रहा है कुछ पल रहा है मेरे जहन में मेरे दिमाग में मैं अपना 100% नहीं बन पा रहा हूँ तो उसी क्षण से उसी पल से हमें वो चेंज लाना है उसके लिए जितना मेहनत करे उतना कम और जैसे भी हो सके खुद को मेंटली फिजिकली ऑफ कोर्स बट मोर इम्पोर्टेंटली मेंटली अपनी ऑप्टिमल लेवल तक लाना है और तब जाके हम एक पूरी कंप्लीट ज़िंदगी जी सकते हैं तो उसके लिए अगर एक्सरसाइज करना हो फिजिकल एक्सरसाइज करना हो क्योंकि ये जो हमारी ये जो बॉडी है इट्स अ व्हीकल ऑफ कोर्स दिस इज नॉट एवरीथिंग बट it is what is you're traveling along with it is your ID card तो उसको उस पर ध्यान तो देना ही है लेकिन not at the cost of your mental health
Absolutely.
in fact मैं तो mental और physical को अलग नहीं करूँगा it is one
Yeah.
when your mental health is right
Yeah. It's
you will
holistic.
be healthy
Yeah.
physically when your physical health is right you will be healthy mentally
Yeah, it co-depends on each
yes
other.
yes
Absolutely. Thank you so much for being with us.
thank you